from full boxes to nearly empty ones. Here's how the iPhone packaging has evolved from 2007 to today. The original iPhone came in a thick, heavy black box with the image of the phone on the lid. Inside, you'd find the phone itself, a charging dock, a 5-watt power adapter, a 30-pin cable, earphones with a microphone, and a complete set of Apple brochures and stickers. Everything was carefully arranged, making the unboxing experience feel complete and premium. iPhone 3G and 3GS kept a similar-looking box, but the charging dock was removed. Basically, Apple had already started gradually cutting down on included accessories. iPhone 4 and 4S came in a more compact box with a sleeker presentation. Inside, you'd find the phone, earpods, the wall adapter, and the 30-pin cable. The organization quality remained high, and the unboxing experience was still very good. The iPhone 5 series brought a major packaging change. The box became taller to match the phone's new design. Inside, the accessory layout was redesigned. The new lightning cable, a 5-watt power adapter, earpods in a plastic case, and the brochures. For the iPhone 6, Apple removed the front image of the phone from the box. Instead, the lid featured only an embossed silhouette with no color or visual detail. Inside, the accessories remained the same as in previous generations. The unboxing experience stayed clean but became increasingly standardized. With the iPhone 6s, Apple brought back the image of the phone on the lid. The box contents remained unchanged. Starting with the iPhone 7, changes began to appear. The back of the phone was now shown on the box. Since the headphone jack was removed, the box included earpods with a lightning connector, no longer placed in a plastic case, a lightning to audio jack adapter, a lightning cable, a wall adapter, and the brochures. The iPhone 8 and 8 Plus kept the same box design and included the same accessories inside. Everything was neatly arranged in Apple's familiar style. iPhone 10 marked an important shift, not just as a product, but also in its packaging. The box became more compact, but the contents remained familiar: a wall adapter, a lightning cable, and lightning earpods. The audio jack adapter was included at first, but was later removed, signaling that accessories were gradually starting to disappear. The same packaging style continued with the iPhone XS and iPhone XS Max. The box stayed compact, containing a 5-watt wall adapter, a lightning to USB-A cable, and earpods with a lightning connector. However, the lightning to audio jack adapter was permanently removed from the box. The iPhone 11 and iPhone 11 Pro brought a few notable differences. The standard iPhone 11 came in a box with the same design, now featuring a photo of the phone's back. Inside, it included a 5-watt adapter, earpods, and a lightning to USB-A cable. In contrast, the iPhone 11 Pro and Pro Max came in black boxes and, for the first time, included an 18-watt USB-C wall adapter and a lightning to USB-C cable. With the iPhone 12, Apple completely changed direction. All models came in a noticeably thinner box. Apple removed both the wall adapter and the earphones. Inside, only the phone and a lightning to USB-C cable remained, along with a small envelope containing brochures and a single Apple sticker. It was a radical shift marking the start of a new Apple policy, more minimalist but also more controversial. The iPhone 13 series followed the exact same packaging style but without the outer plastic wrap. Instead, it used 2 paper pull tabs for sealing. Inside, there was only the phone, a lightning to USB-C cable, an envelope with brochures. iPhone 14 followed the exact same formula. No major changes to the packaging. It was a clear continuation with 0 new elements in the unboxing experience. The iPhone 15 series introduced only one interior change. All models now included a USB-C to USB-C cable instead of the traditional Lightning cable. Everything else remained the same. iPhone 16 continued the minimalist approach that began with the iPhone 12. The box remained just as slim, but the design on the lid varied slightly by model. The Standard and Plus versions displayed the back of the phone with the new camera layout, while the Pro versions featured a front-facing image. Looking back, it's clear that the evolution of the iPhone box perfectly mirrors Apple's shifting philosophy over time. From heavy, elegant packaging filled with accessories and a clear focus on the user experience, Apple gradually moved to slimmer, simpler boxes with fewer and fewer items inside. The company cites sustainability as a reason, but removing accessories also means added costs for users. In the end, unboxing an iPhone is no longer a special moment. It has become a fast, standardized process with nothing particularly memorable. Still, the change in packaging hasn't hurt sales, and that says a lot. Maybe for Apple, what's inside the box doesn't matter that much anymore, as long as it's an iPhone. What do you think about the way Apple has changed how the iPhone is sold? If you enjoyed this breakdown, give us a like and subscribe for more explainer videos.